Hello, my name is Tamya. I chose cybersecurity because I wanted to get better with learning how IoT devices work and how to stop hackers from getting into people's personal devices and how to protect them from being vulnerable in the real life world. The do's and do nots if you ever receive a phishing email. We use Project Lead the Way in cybersecurity, and here's an example of a phishing email that we used on one of the servers. So basically, up here we have a URL, and the URL is basically, it carries a file at the top, which is right beside the highlighted box. And when you get an email, you usually don't want a file, you just want a letter or some information about what you need to do, or if it's from like a business owner or somebody you work with. You usually don't carry a file unless it's like an image or anything, and as you see, there's no image here. So the email, if you don't know the email, you don't want to respond to it, or you don't want to click anything that is addressed to you, especially if you don't know the person, because it can carry many malicious and malware viruses onto your software or your system. Right here, it says, note, all mails in your inbox, spam, draft, and sent items will be deleted and access to your account will be denied. Then it says, click on the cancel request if the message wasn't from you. It wants you to cancel the request, but it also wants you to ignore the message request if it wasn't from you. So it's telling you to do two different actions. So this is an example of the phishing email that you should not respond to. If it looks anything like this, it's possibly a phishing email and you might want to just leave it alone and delete it from your desktop or your system in general. Right here we have examples of a Google URL, and right here with the green verify check means that the URL is safe. It has the HTTPS for Google, and right here is a not verified URL for Google, which means that a hacker can use or like duplicate the actual verified URL for Google to make it seem like the actual version of it. So it can trap you to go to the site, and it actually might not be the actual site. So you want to pay attention to the URLs as well. Yeah.